Find features that distinguish it from other brands for BOSYTRO 150W moving head DJ lights, LED stage light with remote control, and why you should choose. Because it consists of the following features. Stage light with remote control. This stage light with remote control is convenient for you to use and adjust to switch various modes. The corresponding beams will change under different modes. This RGB LED stage light consists of 10 pieces, 10-watt LED beam source. Beam colors include red, green, purple, blue, and white, mixed colors. With the special beam light source, the sense of cool stage atmosphere is accentuated. Red and green special light effect. This is a moving head light with two special laser light sources, one red, the other green, set at both ends, with the basic 10 beams and high brightness strobe. The brightly colored light source changes constantly with the rhythm, party lights which can satisfy the sense of festive atmosphere that you want to create. 3 modes plus 2 moving angles. The stage moving headlamp offers DMX mode, 22 channels, as well as master-slave, sound-activated, and autonomous mode, even rotation, options. Movable angle X-axis, 0 to 540 degrees, Y-axis. 0 to 180 degrees, infinite rotation, DJ lights for parties. The light source irradiation position is wide enough to create a full area immersive lighting scene. Easy to install and use. Moving head DJ lights can be used squarely on a horizontal stage, or upside down on a stand or stage's U-hook using accessory hooks plus screws. Party lights for home parties. It is suitable for autonomous mode, even rotation, voice-activated mode, max console mode. Professional lighting technicians can choose the desired mode effect on demand. Wide applicability. DJ lights are equipped with a variety of lighting effects, such as RGBW hybrid dimming, RGBW water effects, beam lights with bright colors and varied changes. Red and green lasers with special beam effects. The disco light are perfect for clubs, DJ shows, family gatherings, dance halls, KTV, concerts, parties and other venues. They are also ideal for party enthusiasts and professional lighting technicians. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.